Programs auto starting, how to fix. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This video shows how to disable auto starting Windows programs. If your system's slow to boot and programs pop up, I'll show you how to stop that. Alright folks, let's get started. In the search bar, type msconfig. Hit enter and we'll open the system configuration. There are tabs: General, Boot, video on that, Services and Startup. We'll focus on these last two tabs. So, what's our first step? We'll disable non-Microsoft services. Click to hide Microsoft services. So anything here, folks, isn't Microsoft's and we can turn it off. You can see the type of service running and what's stopped here. You can manually disable by unchecking this box or click Disable All. All non-Microsoft, non-essential services will be deactivated. I usually do this, folks. Another key thing I do is disable startup programs. I'll go to Startup Programs in Task Manager. Check the startup impact. So clicking here, at the top it shows enabled programs with high startup impact. What do? I select the program and click Disable down here. Same thing, Disable. Choose the programs that are consuming resources. See some with disabled status. No need to uncheck those, I only need to deactivate these two. I'll click Close, then Apply to save the changes I made. Click OK and next reboot, your system will start faster. Try it and let me know in the comments, okay? Just hit Restart, close all, reboot, then comment below. Did it work? Leave your feedback in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.